Hello friends, welcome to Mastercrafts. Today we'll make a origami paper slingshot. So this is how the slingshot looks. The things needed for making a slingshot are half A4 sheet and 1 A4 sheet, scissors, scale, rubber band, glue gun, Fevicol, a roll of thread. For the 2 strips of paper we can use any size. So let's start. The strips of paper are just for covering the thread for the slingshot. We will use a pencil for rolling the paper. Remove the pencil from the roll. We are using a A4 sheet, so the half of the roll will be 10.5 centimeter. If you are using a bigger paper, we could use the half of that. We will now use the half A4 sheet. These are the 3 total rolls we have rolled till now. The 2 small rolls are this as shown. The half sheet we have rolled is the long one. Draw a slant. We will now cut it. Do the same for the other one. For this one also draw the same slant and cut it. Have to join both of them. Do use a newspaper while using the glue gun. Join both of them neatly. Let it dry. After drying, it will look like this. Draw 4 lines and cut it. Be very careful with the glue gun. It should not get to your hand. To make it short, I have cut a small piece. We have to cut it depending on our hands. We will now use a long thread for the slingshot's thickness. Roll a lot of thread around the slingshot. We will use a little more thread. If you want your slingshot a little thicker, we can use a little more thread. We are using thread for the slingshot for its thickness, or it may break anytime. If we don't use thread, the slingshot may break anytime. So do use the thread for the slingshot. So now we will cover the thread with 2 strips of paper. We can even use glue gun if it comes out. Do as directed. Stick it properly. Glue it. So let it dry. After drying, it will look like this. Put a rubber band. So let's cut it. there from the glue gun as the thread should not come out. If we don't have a glue gun, we can even tie the rubber band by making a hole there. So with the use of pencil, scissors, thread, scale and a glue gun and rubber bands, we could make a slingshot. For making the bullet for the slingshot, do as followed. So now let's try shooting it. One more time. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe.